Hello everyone, we are currently out on the road right now, but of course, as always, we are going to continue to bring you guys the latest updates in country music. And today's newest development and latest update surrounds Morgan Wallen's initial court hearing, which we know took place on the morning of May 3rd. However, Morgan Wallen was not physically present for that court case as he waived his right to do so, but his attorney Warwick Robinson went to the court hearing, obviously, on Morgan Wallen's behalf. And following this court hearing, local news reporters caught up with Morgan Wallen's attorney, where they asked him several questions. But what else is interesting, he responded to some rumors and speculation surrounding Morgan Wallen's behavior on that particular night of his arrest after allegedly throwing a chair from the rooftop balcony area of Eric Church's brand new bar, Chiefs. Morgan Wallen's attorney also spoke to if Morgan Wallen was feeling any guilt surrounding his actions and the potential danger that he put the MNPD officers in who were said to be in the vicinity of where this chair landed. And he also mentioned about the amends that Morgan Wallen has been working towards and the effort that he's been putting in since his arrest. A lot to go over here, but first I want to take us back to Morgan Wallen's initial public statement, his public apology following his arrest, because it's important for us to talk about this as we get into what his attorney had to say following court. So just a couple weeks after his arrest, Morgan Wallen turned to his X account where he wrote, "I didn't feel right publicly checking in until I made amends with some folks. I've touched base with Nashville law enforcement, my family, and the good people at Chiefs. I'm not proud of my behavior and I accept responsibility." He continued and added, "I have the utmost respect for the officers working every day to keep us all safe. Regarding my tour, there will be no change." And of course, as we know, there was no change to Morgan Wallen's tour. He just came off an incredible 3-night run out at Nissan Stadium in Nashville, Tennessee, the home of the Tennessee Titans, a show that is very close to his heart, a show that is very special to him, as those shows are normally the ones that his family comes out to. And of course, he's from the Knoxville area and he is a Tennessee native. So again, an incredible 3-night run that just occurred, shows that mean so much to him. And that's an important piece to all of this as well. From what Morgan Wallen's attorney had to say following this initial court appearance, we're going to get into that right now. Following the hearing on May 3rd, Morgan Wallen's attorney told reporters, "Everybody saw Morgan's statement that before he wanted to say anything publicly, that he wanted to check in with several people, including the Metro Police Department and also the people at Chiefs. So he has done what I think we would expect any good person to do when there's something such as this happens." He added, "Morgan's doing well. He's very busy, which is good. He's a family man. I think this concert is especially special for him because his family lives close. Sometimes you have to go through things for your own to learn lessons in life. And I think that's applicable to Morgan Wallen, my son, and everybody else's kids." Now, like I mentioned earlier, in this interview, Morgan Wallen's attorney, Warwick Robinson, also responded to some rumors and speculation surrounding Morgan Wallen's behavior after allegedly throwing this chair. There have been rumors that Morgan Wallen was seen laughing after the incident. However, in this interview, Robinson states that there is no proof to back that up at all. He says, "I haven't seen anything to suggest that at all, so I don't have any proof that that is correct. The video will certainly speak for itself." We have also learned that the new trial date for Morgan Wallen against the charges of disorderly conduct and the 3 felony charges of reckless endangerment has now been continued to the date of August 15th at 9 a.m. Morgan Wallen will appear at that court date. That is the actual trial date. However, as we know with court, it can be continued. So for this to actually be settled and put behind Morgan Wallen, that is still to be determined until we actually get to the date of August 15th, which is the next trial date. And of course, guys, we are going to continue to keep you updated on this case and trial surrounding Morgan Wallen. It seems when we get into any new stage of this case, of this incident, we learn a little bit more information about it. So be sure to continue to check back in periodically as we approach the date of August 15th, which again is the brand new trial date for Morgan Wallen, which he is scheduled to physically appear for that trial. Thank you guys for tuning in here at CountryCast. That's your latest update. Be sure to subscribe down below as well so you never miss out on any breaking news and updates.